Hello YouTube, Martin here, and I'm going to show you how to do Fullbright in the proper client, which you pretty much don't touch anything from the source files. So to start off, you're going to need to create a variable, which we're going to call Fullbright. So do public static boolean Fullbright equals false because we want it to be turned off. And now we're going to do the text for it in our main menu. So do if variable class dot Fullbright, if it's true, then do just copy and paste this because you should already know how to do this. If variable class dot Fullbright equals, I like it to be I for to turn on the Fullbright, and then change that to Fullbright. Right, and change the position of it to 32 because every text line of every text line height is 32 32 pixels. So well, not 32, I mean 9 pixels. So go to your client key or keys and look for your void void key. So mine is I, and I'm gonna do bit client your variable class dot Fullbright equals to bit client dot Fullbright, and what this does is just creates a toggle between them, so true or false. And now we're going to need to do, we got our GUI, and now we're going to need to do is create a new class, which we're going to call Fullbright, where we're going to have our voids in. So, okay, there's your new class. Make some space in it, and now we're going to need to create two voids, one which turns it on and one which turns it off. I find two voids more convenient and less troubleshooting-ish. Okay, so now what we're gonna need to do is do public static void, and we're gonna call it Fullbright. Do parentheses or what they called, or brackets, and then do squiggly brackets, and inside it we're gonna call an if. So if bit client your variables class dot Fullbright your variable, then we're gonna need to do mc dot game settings dot gamma settings, which gamma setting plus plus, which increases the gamma setting value to the maximum gradually. It keeps on adding one because of that plus plus. And now you're going to see that we have an error here because we need to initialize the class file. So do Minecraft, which we get from net.minecraft.client.minecraft. So do Minecraft mc equals Minecraft dot get Minecraft brackets. I think it's that. Yeah, now we're gonna need to import Minecraft, and now we're gonna see that we get an error here. This error is because this reference is not static, so what we're going to do is change that to public or private or package private, whatever you want. So do public static Minecraft, which is going to sort out this error here. And now we're going to need to create another void, which is going to be called public static void, because we need static so that we can refer it to another classes. So do public static void Fullbright, call it null because it's going to be null or something, which you can remember. So do that, and now we're going to need another if. So if bit client would be not equal to true, bit client Fullbright, if your variable is not equal to true, then do mc.gameSettings.gamma setting equals to 0.5, which is the Minecraft default, and make sure you add the semicolon at the end, and this class file is done, so save it. And now you're going to need to go to your handler class to make a check update so it works. So do another if statement, your variables class dot Fullbright. If it's true, then do your Fullbright class, or whatever you named it, to dot Fullbright your first void, and then add semicolon. So if it's true, then it calls Fullbright void, and then we're going to need to add another one if it does not equal to true. So if Fullbright does not equal to true, then we're going to call the null void, which we created earlier, Fullbright dot Fullbright null, which is here. Add a semicolon, save everything, and run it, and it should work, hopefully. Let's quickly go there and do that. Bring up Harmony. Oops. You can see it's dark here. Let's go over here quickly, right at the end. Turn around, and you're gonna see gradually the light comes in forwards. See, it works. Okay, so it's Martin, and peace out.